Da li me sad čujete? Čujete?
Can you hear me now? You can. Great. So I propose we start with our agenda. We are running behind a bit, although we were planning to start sharp at 9. However, there's always force majeure that somehow prevents us in doing so. I wish you a warm welcome to the RODA's 10th Annual Milk Conference and Rebirth 2017, Motherhood and Women with Disabilities. This is quite a different conference than all the others that we have organized so far. This is the very first inclusive conference when we started 15 years ago in taking pioneer steps in better protection of reproductive rights of women. We thought we were doing this for all women, but many, many years later, one mother who is here with us has really told us an eye-opening thing, because her personal story helped us understand that so far we are really inaccessible for many women, and to those women we dedicate today's conference. Just before we start with our agenda, if you will allow me to greet you all on behalf of RODA, all the representatives of the ministries, institutions, healthcare institutions, higher education institutions, and representatives of the media as well. I would like to thank our partners and donors whose representatives we have here with us. Alphabetically, this is the Croatian Association for Training of Dogs, Croatian Association of Tetraplegics, the Ombudsman for People with Disabilities, Association of Deaf People of the City of Zagreb, UNICEF in Croatia, Embassy of the Kingdom of Sweden, and Association of Persons with Disabilities of Croatia. We would also like to thank City of Zagreb as our sponsor. A great thank to our guests, midwives from UK and our guests from Sweden. We want to thank our interpreters, our technicians, and our team of sign language interpreters. We would like to stick to the agenda, so we really ask the presenters to watch for the cues when we will be giving you the signs that it's time to wrap up your presentation. We will have an opportunity for discussion at the end of the agenda, but if we will have some opportunity time-wise during the presentations, maybe we will allow some discussion.